Alright, y'all. We're packing.
We're ready to go. Hopefully they don't break.
And then as soon as we put a little bit more pack. Bees. You ready?
The color didn't fit in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Are you comfortable there? Nah, like I said, we could get a smaller one.
We'll grab a smaller
It's
one.
gonna be like a 45-minute drive.
Fine.
Like that.
And back.
Just be careful, my rod, low key. Not supposed. No, no, no! Don't pull it up. Don't pull it up. You're gonna. You don't. Just leave it like that. Leave it resting.
No matter. We're gonna chop somebody's head off.
Just leave it like that. Just be careful not to smack it.
Yeah, man,
You just fucking turn on the car because it's fucking hot.
Okay, give me my gun.
Damn.
Why are you eating lots of M&M's?
That was saying for gas. Should done that, huh?
Alright, y'all. This is why we learn. This is how we learn. So, it's my first time fishing.
It is, huh?
That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, y'all. So, we're here. Ronaldo Beach. I just have a Porto Gary. But we out here. It's definitely my first time fishing and first time fishing. Wait. I just said that twice. Oh, my bad. Oops. But it's my first time fishing and first time being here. So. We're looking for a spot. Oh yeah, I'm with my cuñadas. Monday. I don't know. But there's hella people. There's a lot of people fishing too. And everybody's just staring. We'll see where we can find a spot. I think like 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago he came here. I think. I don't know. But we'll see.
And then people will leave over time, obviously.
Yeah.
Or if we find like anybody that lives out here,
We can always move over there. See. Ooh.
I mean, we can move over time.
Yeah. Well, why is there so people over there?
Yeah, guys. We'll keep y'all updated. When we have more stuff. When we set down everything. Bye-bye?
Yeah.
Alright, teach me, what are we doing? Because
First,
it's my first time.
you put it in a bun. Then you toss it. Nothing, it's just, these are gonna catch the little ones, you know, like most of us come.
Little
big.
pussies.
Yeah, like that down.
Alright, how about we catch a bird? I know how to click them.
Yo. So look,
Alright, now
you
that
just do this. And you could tie it, you know, you could do it any way, but when you're a fisher, you never tie it the same way. When you start fishing, you learn how to do some cool knots. You never really tie it the same way, you know. Can we talk about how the sun is like the golden hour for me right now? It's like,
Sheesh.
you know.
Damn.
So this one, when it's threaded line, you don't really have to like put saliva on it. But this one says thread line. You add a little saliva, and then you just pull. And after you give it a little yank, make sure it's nice and tight. You pull it down, then you got yourself a knot. And you cut this piece. Then you got yourself a knot. And then you just put the weight down here. That's pretty much it, guys. And then you guys will see it do the magic itself.
Nice.
Let's see, the weights are right here.
What are these? You got some.
Yeah, there's 4. So then you see this one kind of comes in already with this, so it does the job. You see, you just hook it on. Got some little hooks, but damn, my sausage fingers ain't helping right now, guys.
You need help? I got it. I got my stick fingers.
Hold on. There, we got it.
Beast.
And I got myself a hook. Just like that, guys.
You just throw it in there?
Yeah.
Monday. Okay. Hold on, Destiny. It's because it's on the roof. On top of the thing. But that's awesome. Some fish and a fish. Just hella people.
Yeah, because I only brought 4. Look, that guy's, look, he has a fish, look. That's just bending. Whose rod is the white one right here? You guys got a fish.
He got something, he got something. He got something.
That shit was funny.
Oh, yeah.
You fry, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I think it got escaped. Damn.
Casi se la llevaba, primo.
Damn. So close, but that shit was pulling. If I got the footage,
I feel like a dumbass was
Wasn't it?
screaming, you know, but it was actually pulling.
nah, but you got the footage.
I mean, what?
Well, she put that on there and I'll split it.
Yeah, you could put a little piece like on the top one.
Can I get the next piece?
Right now I'm gonna take out the dinners and that's one.
Do I open up the bucket?
Nah.
I'll go right now.
Yeah. We'll see what's next. Can I help you?
Hold on.
Wanna do whatever you need to do?
Oh, I'm just adding, I'm just tying this.
The same thing? Same method, I guess. I don't know how close y'all are, but
I don't think it was the waves. How it was pulling it, yanking, I don't think it was the waves.
no. Oh, it's not.
Anyways, guys, it became loose. Honestly, this is the bottom part, so this one doesn't really matter how it goes, you know?
Yeah.
But guys, this is like different ways. This is the fast and simple way. We call it the tray way. The only way.
How much?
Whoa, once it touches the floor.
I'll put my chair like right here.
Yeah. And just keep an eye on it. Hold on. Oh, you still need the hook?
Uh-huh.
You still need to add the hook?
Yeah,
You're happy with
we'll
that?
do it double.
Yeah. How do you feel?
I feel okay.
Excited?
Yeah. I hope I catch a fish. You know? My first fish. Hopefully.
Look, I got the red one.
You guys can match.
Thanks.
I got my favorite color.
Hold on, leave it right there.
Nice.
I got my favorite color.
We got rags. Why do I have a rag? I don't know.
So wipe your hands after.
To wipe my hands after.
So you don't wipe it on your coat and you're so dirty. So you wipe it on these.
Oh, nice. Pretty smart. And yeah, we're using Frijolitos Auto Detailing towels because
Sorry,
these are the old ones.
I took it off. But yeah, guys, you basically just grab it like that. You put it in through the hole. And after you put it through the hole, you make it big enough. Or, you know, there's like the hole like that after you slide it in. And then you put it back in through here. And then it'll give you this, right? So like that, you have it like that. But this is not enough. You want more slack, right? So you just grab this. And you do it like this. You put it in back through the hole. And then you pull it in, you pull it out, and you tie it. Yeah. You tie it, and then you have the slack right here, you know? So like that now it's sticking out, so when you put the bait, it's just dancing around. But I'm gonna tie it again, so it's more secure. And you just put the hook with the bait, you know?
Can I throw that one in?
Huh?
Can I put that in?
With the hook?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Hold on, let me do it real quick. Let me just do one more.
He said, your thought. He really said, girl, bye. Who's he looking at? Yeah, tell me. I'm just kidding. You heard me? Who he trying to check out? He said there's plenty of fishes in the sea. And we're at the sea.
I still don't catch anything.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, imagine I catch my first fish on my first time. Oh, I'd be that girl.
You are gonna catch one. This is the beginner's luck. All like you see, like how I said, after you pinch it, you put it in.
Okay.
And then after you put it in, you put it in through the hole. And you just pull it. Alright? Just like that. You have this. And then obviously if you don't like it in the positioning like that, you don't tighten it and you can move it. But it's kind of tight right now, but we'll just ignore it.
Dude, that's why I want it.
And then, like I said, you do the same thing again. There you go. You put it through here. And then you tighten it. And then you do it again. There you go, floop. And you tighten it. If you guys want, I know you guys might skip through all of this. If you guys are gonna go straight to the action. But if you guys want me to know how I did these knots, just let me know. and I'll show a video. That's fine. Like I said, we're gonna just have to wait and see if we can find a spot. People start leaving a bit, like this big group, vienen en grupos y van a pedir todos.
We'll see what happens. We'll see if we catch anything. How do you feel?
Pretty good. I feel like we're gonna catch at least, you know, something for the video.
So can I throw it in?
What? No, you can't throw this one in. Not mine. Babe, this shit gets tangled. It's not like that one.
Oh.
If it gets tangled, there goes my $300 reel.
Oh. Sorry.
That one you just let it go. If you want to take it out and put it again, you can.
No.
I'll take it out and put I'll take it out right now. Put the little bait. And then you guys see, this one already comes. You know, if you guys don't want to do much work and you guys just want to do it quick, easy, and simple, it already comes with it. So you just basically slide. You slide the hook in, and you already have it right there. Boom. Voila. You save yourself time, you see? It's already there. Already has the hook. Ready to launch. Yeah. And get this hook. Same thing. You just open it up. Open it up and slide it right in, and then you just close it and you're ready to go.
Now, I got to see all the little fishing rods. The old ones are there. You can see them like around the edge, but not that much. I just seen that one. Oh, on that side over there where my cuñada's side, there's something over there. But whatever, you know. Is that Piscaro?
On this squid. You guys don't like the smell? That's the only bad thing. That just smells like ass.
Right now it just smells like that. Dude, oh, the smell of like sea, like fish, like the beach water. I love it. It makes me want to go in.
I don't know about fish, but the beach water.
No, but like.
I think just this heat, you know, it's just been way too hot here in Cali. My Cali people, you guys can relate.
But the smell right now of the like water is making me want to go in. I low-key like it.
That's how you like. If you guys bring a rag, it will come in clutch.
Jeez. Who we gonna kick out? Who we gonna go? Should we see? Throw it in there.
You see, look, you have to have your thumb in here. Look. If you don't have your thumb, it rolls non-stop. And then if this goes down, it gets tangled bad, you know? You gotta That is the floor, right? Oh, hit the floor. Look up a bit.
Oh my gosh, this is so far.
And then once you see it like, this is nothing, right? But once you see it going, yeet, yeet, then you got something, you know?
That's crazy. Jeez, that thing is far down. Now those are like good ones. Dang. There's Cuñada doing her fishing line. Ooh, it's hot.
Just make sure they don't bite. I'm gonna go buy the carnada, the bait, and I'll be back. Here.
I don't know. I'm so scared.
Let's beat this. It's not gonna pull it in. This fish is not that strong.
Okay, be careful. We have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 over there.
Huh?
Damn, I got you eating.
You always catch you. You always catch you doing something. Huh? Where's the car?
Is that what we've done?
Where's the car? Eating? No. Where's the car? Eating? Not eating?
Yeah, let me do that again. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Yeah, we got 4, guys. We'll see what's up. That's the sky view right now. How
That
it
could be
looked
us.
earlier.
That could be us, pero te chideas.
Oh boy. Oh! My cow such.
We kind of cop black guys, but I'll return. ASMR.
That's crazy. But yeah, guys. So,
If it's not pulling, then
we'll see where else.
you don't have a fish on. You saw how it was pulling when you had one.
I don't really see it.
Yeah, it was just going like the tip of your thing goes down, like it bends like that.
It was going to like we do Thursday.
Yeah? Oh, you probably had one.
It was like
If they do.
Yeah, if it's like right there, like how it was right now. It's probably like yanking it, but you have to wait until it like fully like kind of bends, like makes a little curve.
I wonder why mine fell off.
It probably wasn't fully hooked. That's why. No, I think it probably just didn't hook. Yeah. But it's okay.
But yeah, guys.
Peace.
After we're done, you could go get one right now. We're not gonna leave anytime soon. No más. When we're done. Huh?
8:30? Okay.
Damn, it's not even 8:30.
No, it's 7:30. It's like 7
It's early
something.
then. Damn, summer is over now.
Yeah, guys. And the lights has gone.
Hopefully they do head out. Let's see if
You
they
need-
do that big without coming flood.
See, he needs to be. Christopher needs to be taking pictures like that, bending backwards, doing backflips and everything.
She does, but then
For
she gets
us.
shy because she feels like everybody's watching her. Exactly.
You're right.
You.
You're right. Yeah, guys. But I think I'm probably gonna also go with his sisters to grab a funnel cake
Two.
for us.
Oh, okay.
Dang.
Little bag, yay.
All right. Here's mine. This is nothing. And then everybody else.
It's 7:30?
No, your sister said it's 7:52. It's 7:54. 7:54. But yeah, guys. Peace. All right, guys. So we moved to the other side. They gave us a spot. Family was nice enough to give us a spot. So we're here. Don't ask me what he's doing, but he's doing something.
We'll leave their TikTok down below, guys.
TikTok?
Yeah, then you get like follow them on TikTok. He comes here often. He has a video like with the detective.
I was telling Regina we should come like every 2 weeks on Sundays. To fish.
Yeah. I don't know if y'all heard that, but so
hopefully we catch at least something, guys. Because at this point, it's just like we're just here for the vibe.
literally, as y'all saw earlier, well, you guys didn't see it because we didn't record at that
She's not even
time.
getting beginners luck either. She hasn't caught anything.
Yeah. All I caught was the little clams. But they're not even clams, I guess. They're mussels. So I caught mussels.
Something light.
But yeah, besides that, we have 1, 2,
I wouldn't doubt they already
and
snatched
then
my
4.
bait, you know? So I'll probably take it out right now.
So we literally just were across. We were there, and now we're over here, where the view was at. But obviously, there's no view right now. Yes. Oh, you can't see it. There's like a little glow in the dark one over there. But yeah, guys. Oh, I was gonna tell you something, but I'll tell you in a bit. It was Chisme. Because they were just staring at me, and I was like, oh, sorry. The girl and the... Hold on, let me turn y'all off. Life update.
We didn't catch shit, fellas.
Yeah.
So if you guys try to contract us for fishing, valimos verga.
No, we ended up moving. Yeah, we didn't catch shit. That
For
probably.
legal purposes, we didn't catch shit, but according to the Mexico purposes, we caught a, yeah.
We caught what y'all saw. We caught that lobster. Right, y'all saw. But we had to let it go.
Yeah, we had to let it go.
I feel like where Millie's at is a good spot because she caught plenty.
Yeah,
The
but
fuck,
it
she
was just
caught
a lobster,
The
but
fuck,
we
she
can't
ain't
keep
catch no
it.
fish. Tengo un tiburón.
And a lobster is only gonna feed for 1 mouth.
Aquí está la muela.
Literally. But yeah, guys, we had to return it, sadly. But yeah, in the background, y'all could tell the background changed. We had to move positions. We found another spot.
I still didn't catch shit.
I still didn't catch anything. But
We're gonna head out.
yeah, we're gonna head out because my cuñadas have school tomorrow and they have to wake up super early, and I had to also go to work super early too. But yeah, guys, we'll keep you updated if we end up doing something or what, or till we get home.
So stay tuned.
A ver qué. All right, y'all. So we are heading out.
No luck.
No luck today.
Well, we had it, but
You got hangry.
we're about to catch a fish, but it's like, where's the get proof? Oh. There's some kids in like.
Let me turn on the light. But yeah, guys, we're going back to the car. That chair looks like it's about to fall. Oh, nice. TLC.
Really, you don't want to get the Oreos?
Y la cosa suena rara. Scooby-Doo, papa.
This is what I was talking about.
Oh yeah. Oh heck no, I don't want to weigh myself. Ooh, I know how much I weigh. I ain't trying to get that exposed. But there's no way, there's no elevator.
I wonder what happens to like the handicapped people.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's crazy.
But then we have to go all the way around.
Yeah. You got this.
Moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 12 o'clock midnight. 2 hours later.
Yeah, you have to add it.
We gotta pay that off. But now that we have service.
Yeah. Oh. All right. I'll update y'all when we're in the car. Yeah, it's that what it. All right, guys.
We tried to record.
But
Honestly, it felt like the cops were coming for us, but damn, they zoomed by pretty quick. They went,
yeah, they did.
and they pulled like right in front of us, you know, to block it off.
Yeah,
Like,
they.
all right, bro, I see you guys going. I'm not gonna go.
That was scary though. I thought we were
Like, I think just blocking us off was super unnecessary.
Yeah, guys, and it's crazy because we thought it was because of a lobster that we low-key brought, and we're like, oh shit, no way, this is happening just because of a fucking animal, you know?
Yeah.
But
started screaming at Millie.
yeah,
I was like, do they count their fishes there or their animals there?
imagine be like, oh, we're missing one. Yeah, guys, it's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. I was like, no way.
I got scared.
Like, at first I said it jokingly. I was like, oh, look, they're coming for us. And then the cop pulls right in front of us, and I was like, fuck. I was
Oh,
alone,
no.
you know?
Yeah. But yeah, guys, we're going home right now. It is 10 o'clock. We'll be home in like 30 minutes ish.
My parents are not home yet, huh?
Alright, let me check. Oh look, they're coming for us again. Where are they at? I think they're coming
I
backwards.
hear them.
They're behind us. Look, they're behind us. Look.
On Bitch News.
Bitch news.
Let me turn off the cameras.
Record. They're behind us right there.
Guys,
let's
like, there's
see, they're
something
right
going
there.
on. You
They're
see
gonna
it?
pass.
And then we go. And then we follow, guys. Hey, we don't promote this type of, you know, like...
We don't promote this though, guys.
Because you guys could get pulled over, you know? I mean, speed limit is 40. I'm going speed limit, guys.
Yeah, but you're kind of crossing the line, buddy.
Yeah. You see, I'm going 40. Oh, no,
See?
I'm going 45 now.
All the cars are low-key going behind us.
If he takes the red light, I'm taking the red light.
No. Y ya se fue.
We're making it right, guys. We're following them.
Imagine.
No. I don't know what the fuck he went. What if he's over here taking me to like a shooting?
Yeah, what if he's over there trying to get us somewhere else?
What if he's tweaked out and shit?
Alright, we're here. Oh,
See?
that thing went uphill. What if he's over there like, are y'all following
What
me?
if he's over there like trying to catch his wife cheating?
Imagine.
He's like zooming home like, alright.
This is my chance.
This is my chance.
They just took our phone right now.
Catch her red-handed. Oh my god, That's crazy.
Imagine we pulled over the cameras like, oh.
Oh, the thinner.
I would have got famous for
Officer caught wife cheating.
If the cop passes through here again, we're for sure following on this side.
We're back here live on Bitch News.
So if y'all got any cheese there or something, y'all want us to go record, we got you on Bitch News.
Limited time offer.
Alright guys, we did forget to film an outro when we got home. We got busy and it was pretty late. But we hope to see y'all pretty soon. There is many videos coming up. We just haven't finished editing them. But you will be seeing them pretty soon. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and turn on your post bell notifications so you get notified during any video we upload. Peace, y'all.